big day. Got a surprise for you. Come on in, come on in. Oh my God, really? Okay. Got a special chair for you. Come on, sit down. Oh my God, what a cute cup. Thank you. Okay, well, go ahead, open it. I'm so excited to open this. Let's see what it is. You're invited. Oh my God, is this what I think it is? To join the YouTube Partner Program! Ah! Well, it is very well deserved. Cupcake? I would love one, thank you. I've been wanting to try the supers so bad. And not so fast. Gotta have you fill out some paperwork, you know. It's more of a formality at this point. Then you should be good to go. Okay, no problem. Let me take care of that real quick. Yeah, review the terms. Check. Set up my AdSense account. Check. All right, it says it's in process right now, so I just have to wait. Okay, well, I guess I'll come back tomorrow and check the status. Thank you so much again for inviting me. Like, I've been waiting years for this. Oh, hi. Wasn't quite expecting you. What do you mean you weren't expecting me? You invited me into the YouTube Partner Program. I was just here yesterday. All my paperwork is in process. Should be good to go by now. Yeah, I'm sorry. You're not on the list. Yeah, let me see that list. I did some recalculations. You're actually about 10 watch hours short. So yeah, just work on your watch hours and then you can get invited back again. Okay, bye.